Hi, welcome back to my channel. I recently purchased these wagons off eBay, and the three in front of you are from Replica Railways, and their number was 13411, 24-ton hopper wagon grey. Then I found another wagon. It's basically the same, but just a different running number, and that's from Bachmann. And that's Bachmann number 33-250, 24-ton ore wagon BR Grey. As you can see, it's the same, basically the same chassis, totally. This one's got black ladders though. The replica rail's got grey. They come without a load in them. So what I did, I made some loads up using iron ore ballast. The main problem I've found is you use PVA glue, yes, and they say it dries clear, but as you can see, it does leave marks behind when the glue's quite thick. So what I'm going to have to do is probably paint them with acrylic paints, a brown paint. And another problem I found, they shrink. Because what I did, I got the wagon, I put cling film in the inside, filled it with the ballast, and then poured a mixture of PVA and water and washing up liquid inside. I kept tapping it down to get it to sink properly, like you would do with sand in a bucket making sandcastles. But even though I did that and kept them in there for days and days and days while they dried out, they've shrunk quite a bit. But they do fit in okay. From the ground level, you can see that PVA glue around the outside. So, like I say, I definitely need to get paint on them. I say once I get paint on them, they should look alright, really. I know they're not perfect, but it was the first time I tried this. And from a distance, on your layout, you can't really tell. Can't really tell there's gaps down the sides also with them being dark. It's only when you get the camera in really close you can see. I don't know why it shrinks so much, really. You think it wouldn't shrink when you pack it in as hard as you can. But over time, I suppose, with the water evaporating and the glue just holding the ballast together, it would shrink. Let's say for a first attempt, it's not too bad. I don't think so anyway. As you can see from distance, like I say, it's not too bad. This one is the worst one because there's too much ballast basically. Maybe that's the whole point. I need to use a little bit less ballast and have it sink inside the wagon, so it doesn't show up so much the top edge. But like I say, I'll have to get my paints out and paint it over, and hopefully it'll be alright. I'll get the scissors out and cut more of it away, because I did cut a load of it away. It's really rubbish, but for a first attempt. If anyone has any ideas how you can stop it from shrinking so much, I'd like the comments at the end. Okay, thank you for watching. I know it's another rubbish video that I'm producing, but I'm trying to make some videos so people can watch. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments. Much appreciate them. Thank you.